Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that many outdoor security camera users face: water damage. Imagine stepping outside one day to find your Reolink RLC520 security camera no longer working due to water seeping into the network connector. Frustrating, right? Well, fear not, because we got a solution to get your camera back up and running in no time. In this case, the solution is quite straightforward. The first step is to replace the damaged connector on your camera. Attempting to clean the pins may not be effective, especially if water has caused significant damage as shown in the picture. To replace the original Reolink connector, you have two options: using a keystone jack and dolphin clips to maintain a female connection, or crimping your own RJ45 connector to create a male connection. Now, let's walk through the steps to implement the second solution. You'll need an Ethernet cable crimper, an RJ45 cap, and an RJ45 FF connector. Start by cutting off the old damaged connector and exposing the colored wires inside the cable. Be careful not to cut the wires while opening the cable. Next, straighten the cables and insert them into the RJ45 cap in the specified order. Crimp the cable using the Ethernet cable crimper, and finally, connect the camera to one end of the RJ45 FF connector and the network cable to the other end. Voila! Your camera should now be back in action, complete with PoE functionality. In summary, dealing with water damage to your outdoor security camera can be a breeze with the right tools and know-how. By following these simple steps to replace the damaged connector, you can have your camera up and running again in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Happy fixing!